Now, 2 months after Sushant Singh Rajput's death, the actor's family and girlfriend Rhea Chakravarti are engaged in an ugly war of words. India Today has accessed Rhea Chakravarti's version of what happened on the 8th of June, 6 days before the actor's death. Here are all the details.
Over 2 months since Sushant Singh Rajput's death, Rhea Chakrabarti has been at the center of the murky mystery. Accused by Sushant's family of abetment to suicide and controlling his life and finances, she left Sushant 6 days before his death. India Today has accessed details of what transpired on 8th of June. According to Rhea Chakrabarti's legal team, Sushant had decided to move out of Mumbai. Rhea also claimed that Sushant had been calling his family through the month of June to inform them of his decision. Rhea claims that Sushant wanted to meet his family and was allegedly desperate to get in touch with them. And that after several days of crying and calling his family members, Sushant's sister Meetu agreed to come and live with him on 8th of June. That's when Sushant asked Rhea to leave and go live with her parents.
8 जून को वो घर पहले छोड़ के गई है। मीतू बाद में सुशांत ने बुलाया है तो मीतू आई है। अगर सुशांत उनके नजर में, जैसा वो खुद कहना चाह रही हैं, इतनी तबीयत खराब थी, मानसिक हालत इतनी खराब थी, इस मानसिक हालत में जब वो छोड़ के गई तो किसको उन्होंने बताया परिवार के कि ये दवाई चल रही है, इनका ये दवाई खिलाना बहुत जरूरी है, इनका देखरेख करो, ऐसा ना हो कि कुछ गलती हो जाए।
Rhea's legal team also claims that the actress suffered from anxiety and depression. On 8th of June, Rhea had booked a session with the therapist Susan Walker. She asked Sushant if she could leave after her therapy session, but Sushant asked her to leave immediately before his sister Meetu arrived. According to Rhea's lawyer, the relationship between Sushant and his family strained after April 2019, revealing that Sushant and Rhea moved in 8 months after they began dating in December 2019. The actress, in a detailed statement to India Today, claims that things between her and Sushant's family hit a rough patch after a party in April the same year. Rhea claims that one night, she and Sushant's sister had gone out partying. Once they returned to Sushant's Bandra house, the actor and his sister continued to drink while Rhea went and slept. As Rhea was asleep, Sushant's sister Priyanka allegedly got into her bed and groped her. When Rhea told Sushant about the incident, he got into an argument with her.
सुशांत बहुत ज्यादा डिपेंड करते थे प्रियंका के। प्रियंका उनके अकाउंट्स भी देखती थी। प्रियंका जब भी कोई प्रॉब्लम सुशांत को होता था तो प्रियंका को बुलाते थे और प्रियंका सारा कुछ करती थी। और प्रियंका का काफी हस्तक्षेप था घर में। उनके सामने उन्होंने देखा कि सर्वेंट्स को वही ऑर्डर करती थी, कैसे वो अकाउंटेंट्स को बोलती थी। तो इसलिए उन्होंने कहा कि जब तक प्रियंका को जिंदगी से नहीं निकालेंगे तब तक, और प्रियंका को ऐसे निकालना उनके लिए मुश्किल था, कोई ऐसा भद्दा ही एलिगेशन लगाने से वो सक्सेसफुल हो सकती थी, और वही उन्होंने किया।
Rhea's legal team has also alleged that the actress was not allowed to attend Sushant's funeral by his family. Bureau Report, India Today.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.